Just in time for the holiday rush this Christmas season, Philippine Airlines will be introducing 4 new local destinations this mid-December. With its goal in expanding its inter-island network from Mactan Cebu International Airport, the country's flag carrier campaign Largata Cebu invites everyone to discover the Philippines via Cebu. A pioneer route from Cebu to Laoag, Ilocos Norte, to be launched on December 15, will fly twice weekly, becoming the first airlink between the Ilocos Norte capital and the central Philippines. There will also be resumption of routes from Cebu to General Santos, Cebu to Legazpi, and Cebu to Ozamis on the same week, connecting Cebu to more hidden gems in the country.
Everywhere else in Visayas and Mindanao to Cebu, for them to connect to northern region. I think end of the day it's really convenience for the passengers, so most of them are really very happy about it.
Level of customer satisfaction for the airport in Cebu. Very efficient airport, both for domestic and international, so that's one of the data points that we're seeing. In many cases, passengers consider Cebu to be a more convenient airport and comfortable airport to fly from.
By next month, the Philippine Airlines will be operating more than 260 weekly round-trip domestic flights between Mactan Cebu Airport and 20 destinations in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. PAL has also firmed up their purchase of 9 brand-new Airbus A350-1000 aircraft for long-range intercontinental flight, while at the same time improving its customer relations management system that will be providing more personalized self-service options for the airline's passengers. Plus, travelers can still enjoy low fares to local and international destination with PAL's year-end sale until December 10, 2023. This has been 𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗃 for MyTV Cebu.